Valour Uniswap exchange-traded product to increase UNI exposure. Valour Uniswap ETP, with UNI as the underlying asset, launches on the Börse Frankfurt Certificate AG stock exchange. Valour, a Zurich-based exchange-traded products (ETP) issuer, announced the launch of a fully backed investment product to increase exposure to Uniswap decentralized exchange's native token, UNI. The UNI token serves as the underlying asset within the Valour Uniswap ETP offering, available as a fully backed passive investment product. The Uniswap ETP was launched on a European stock exchange named Börse Frankfurt Certificate AG, the Frankfurt Stock Exchange co-owner. Valour CEO Diana Biggs highlighted the inaccessibility of blockchain-based investment products on traditional markets and stock exchanges. Speaking about Valour Uniswap ETP's position in making DeFi investments available via mainstream investment channels, she said, "Uniswap ETP will provide investors with the opportunity to gain exposure to areas of innovation, in particular to decentralized finance, DeFi." As of October 25, Valour's assets under management, AUM, offerings grew over 3,033% in 2021, surpassing $290 million from trading on traditional stock exchanges. The Uniswap protocol passed $500 million in total trading volume since November 2018. A Cointelegraph report from October 19 credits Uniswap's Layer 2 volumes surged to high transaction fees on the Ethereum, ETH, blockchain. Hayden Adams, the founder of Uniswap, estimated that Uniswap v3 processed daily volumes worth $115 million across the Arbitrum and Optimism smart contract networks. According to a crypto market data provider, Nomics, Uniswap v3 drove $80 million in volume on Arbitrum and roughly $14 million on Optimism during that time frame. Arbitrum extends lead over Optimism as Uniswap posts record volume on L2. DeFi users appear to be choosing Arbitrum over Optimism for scaling as Uniswap's Layer 2 volume presses into record highs. The world's most popular decentralized exchange, Uniswap, is seeing Layer 2 volumes surge as Ethereum transaction fees surge once again. On Tuesday, Uniswap founder Hayden Adams tweeted that daily volume across v3 deployments of the decentralized exchange on Layer 2 networks has pushed into record levels. Adams estimated that Uniswap v3 processed an unprecedented $115 million in combined daily volume across the Arbitrum and Optimism networks without providing a source. While Adams' post was published amid peak United States trading hours, data sourced from analytics provider Nomics at the time of writing, 3 a.m. UTC, suggests that Uniswap v3 drove $80 million in volume on Arbitrum and roughly $14 million on Optimism over the past 24 hours, respectively. However, Uniswap's v3 combined Layer 2 volumes are still tiny compared to its mainnet deployment, which currently represents $1.3 billion in daily activity, according to CoinGecko. Despite the Ethereum Foundation and crypto venture giant Andreessen Horowitz backing Optimism, Arbitrum appears to have emerged as the decentralized finance community's second layer rollups solution of choice. According to Layer 2 data aggregator L2Beat, Arbitrum represents 60% of the total value locked, TVL, across Layer 2 networks combined since its mainnet launch in early September. Arbitrum's TVL currently sits at $2.29 billion after increasing by 14% over the past week. Decentralized derivatives exchange DDX ranks second behind Arbitrum with $838 million or 22% of value locked in the sector. Comparatively, Optimism has attracted just $269 million in locked capital, ranking as the third largest Layer 2 with a 7% share of TVL. The combined TVL of Layer 2 networks tagged a record high $3.8 billion on Sunday.